Oh yeah, it's a regular size, but he's going in the boat. Get on net. First 11 Mile Canyon Reservoir fish. Just drift with the we'll just drift with the wind here. Then we can zoom back out and go back and then float along the shoreline again and fish it. That's perfect eating size right there. And I'm gonna keep. I don't know. I may not catch anymore, but it's almost. Oh, I had a good hit. Yeah, that was a good hit. Missed it. This may turn out to be some fun here. It's prettier than Big Meadow. Me and Rachel used to fish Big Meadow a lot. Got him another one.
Let me get some underwater on this one.
I'm gonna turn him loose though, he's too small.
At least let me get some underwater view.
Yeah. He got off. I'll catch another one.
How am I supposed to get underwater video?
I'll catch another one. We're getting too much action.
Yeah.
Too much action. This lure I'm using, I only had like one left, or I lost a bunch of them and I couldn't find them anywhere. It's fun. I'd like to hook into, I need to test this drag out. Oh, that's about right. Okay. 2 fish, that quick is pretty good. That's pretty good. See, I'm out deeper though now. It was kind of shallow right in there. I'm learning this lake. Man, it's about as pretty as it gets though. This is really pretty. Oh, there's a fish bit right there. It's real pretty though. Got him. Oh yeah, that's a fish. Another one goes on. It's not real big, but man, he's swimming right to the boat. I don't know, you gonna turn him loose?
Well, I'll get some video. Underwater.
Yeah, he's pretty small. I'm gonna...
Well, hey, in the past we would have kept him, but...
Yeah.
Let me get some underwater real quick.